Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start realizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click to call phone number here and make appointments tab. That really helps with quick conversions, nice pictures, and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition, the number of keywords on the homepage. A keyword is anything that someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So in your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered the content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and started your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 50 backlinks coming from 17 referring domains or websites. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via link or text. These links act like endorsement of your site from others, which Google used to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 53 keywords and getting about 30 hits to your website a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. Looks like people are looking for a business name in particular, and they're great local by intent keywords, and those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local by intent keywords are the locations and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly realize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and typed the mechanics in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area, and down below what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacts with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is in your business name, number, and the address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click to call phone number here, some images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They're getting about 217 clicks through their website a month. They have 172 backlinks coming from 42 referring domains. In the long run, you'll want to match them and bid them for at least 100. So let's take a look at their keywords. People are also searching for their business name in particular. They have a bit of local by intent keywords. They're all keywords you can analyze in different areas that you service through. In conclusion, there is a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implement this strategy a few ways you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.